Hey guys, it's Ron from MyHeroDesign.com. I'm going to try to make this walkthrough video very quick so that we don't waste too much time here. But I'm very proud to share with you our survey platform here. Inside of it, you're looking at here a test account that we've created. Here's a test survey that we made. So the first thing I want to do is show you how easy it is to create a survey from scratch. So let's go to Create New Survey, Test Survey. And you'll notice this here, choose questions from bank. This is very helpful because it kind of builds your survey for you. Alright, and here we have a whole bunch of categories. And the nice thing is that you can customize these, but at least you have a good starting point, So if we want to do something about healthcare, or we want to do something about fitness, we have all these options here, and we can choose which questions we want. And you can even choose questions from another bank and just add them in. But for the purposes of this, or the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose all of these questions here, and I'm going to have one page per question. Alright, I'll explain what that means later, but basically you don't want to have all of these questions on one page. You want to answer a question and move on. So I'm going to have one question per page and click Let's Go. And our survey is being built, and we can now choose a theme. So for this, I could choose this fitness one here, but you have all sorts of templates here to choose from to get you started. What I'll do here is I'll create this one with this fitness image, and you'll see that my survey now is already pretty much ready to go. I've got one question per page. I've got my welcome page, which I am going to turn on, and I can click on it here to take a look at what it says. And you'll notice that I can just go in here and edit anything I want. Right? So you can do anything, you change the font, anyway, you get the idea. Now if I want to change the image, I can go here, upload image. I can search for images. I can go to the image library. I can upload my own image, and you'll notice I've uploaded a few here. So what I'm going to do is choose this one and set it as a background. Okay, now you can already see I've got a new look for my survey, and I can set that background for all the pages. Now, if I want to make this text show up a little bit better, I can go to Overlay Settings and add an overlay. And you notice that I can change the overlay color. So I can do something cool like this. I can make it a little more subtle. And I can even change the overall color here. So if I want that to be more of an orange, like this, you see how clear those questions are now. And I can even add a pattern over that if I'd like to as well. So I like this one. I'm going to go with this. And I'm going to hit Save. I can also change the button. Right, I can change that. Alright, you get the idea. I can change the text color, and I can change the font, and I can move the icon from left to right. On top of that, I can change the icon itself as well. So I'm going to update that. And I'm going to close the welcome. I already have all my questions here. What I can do is go back. Sorry, I want to show you one more thing. And I'm going to turn on the text to speech. If I want to upload my own MP3, I can do that here. But I'm going to update this. Close the welcome. And even now I can preview what we have.
Hi there. Thanks for your interest in the survey. Your opinion matters to us. Please take a few minutes to complete our short survey.
Okay, so you see we turned on the text, so we have that option. We have our blue button. What I don't like is this wrapping here, so I can just going to go back. I also don't like the color of the button. Do something like this. And maybe I just get rid of this. Update. Close that page here, and I'm going to preview again what we have now. Much better.
Hi there. Thanks for your help. Your opinion matters to us. Please take a few minutes to complete our short survey.
And now if I take the survey, you'll see I have my questions. I just answer them. It'll automatically go, and you see our little progress counter up here. So obviously I didn't customize any of this, but let's go back. I'm going to close that. I'm going to close this one. I can go in and customize each question here. So if I want to click on that edit button, and I have my answers here, I can just edit that right here. 30 minutes, 2 hours, more than 2 hours, 30 minutes. I can change the question. Right? I can turn on text to speech, update that. You can eliminate questions, you can eliminate options, right? I can just delete, or I can add a new one. Right? Something ridiculous like that. I can update that. And you can just go through and customize each one of these. If you need to add a new page, you see you have your handy add page. If you want to remove it, just delete it. You can move questions so that there's multiple questions per page. You really have a ton of options. I'm going to go to the thank you page here. And here, thanks for entering your opinion. We appreciate your time and efforts. Again, you can customize everything. You have your giveaway settings, so if I want to put a URL or a file that they're going to download or a video that they can watch, but I can just go google.com is the site I want them to visit. Here are my button settings. Again, I can make it that kind of purple. I can change the text like that. I can change the icon. I can change the icon position, the font color. I can add social share. And again, I can turn on the voice if I want. So you can see how quickly we updated that thank you page. If you want, you can add an opt-in form. Okay, so you can just add your autoresponder right here. API integrations. You've got all these options here for your autoresponder. And you have your statistics here, okay? So for the test survey, we have one person. That's the one we just took. And you can see here our other survey. We have 10 entries, and you can see how people are answering your survey. And you can even read comments at the end that they've left for you in the survey. So just to show you this survey, I'll open the link here. Again, we have the speech.
Thanks for your interest in the survey.
We're going to start taking it. We have our background image.
Are you with our company? Which of the following words would you use to describe our products? How well do our products meet your needs? How would you rate the quality of How would you rate the value for money of our products? How responsive have we? How long have you been a customer? How likely are you to purchase any? Do you have any other comments, questions, or concerns?
This is an example of the text that people type, and we can read that later.
Thanks for entering your opinion. We appreciate your time and efforts.
You can have people share that survey. They're going to visit our website here. You'll notice this is going to open to myherodesign.com. Okay. You can add your opt-in form, your download file, whatever you want to do at the end there. There's so many other options that you can play with in there, and you can always contact us with the support link here with any questions. You can turn your status on to publish your survey, preview it, edit, autoresponder settings, clone it, share it, add your retargeting codes here so that you can build an audience with all your survey takers, and you have your statistics. Take advantage of our survey creator and get the vital data you need to help take your business to the next level. Thank you again.